Today we're gonna be making Taki popcorn. Today we're gonna be making Taki popcorn. We're gonna be using this Kernel Seasonings product called Chili Lime, and then we're gonna be adding Takis here. Just a bag of Takis that we bought from the store.
Let's get popping.
1.5 cups of butter coconut oil, 3 cups of corn. Check the description down below for all the products we're using in the video today. Have nice hot popcorn. Put it in the and we're gonna add the chili lime seasoning. This is 2 full bottles of the chili lime seasoning. 2 full bottles on here. And then we're gonna add our Takis. We just did a little rough crush on the bag and we're gonna dump those right in. And shake it up. There we go. Oh, that smells really great. Let's give it a try. So here we have a couple pieces of the popcorn along with that Taki. It looks like that seasoning is nice and coated. Wow. You can really taste that lime in there, flavor in there, the spiciness of the seasoning. The Takis have that really bold crunch. The popcorn has a nice crunch too. Great flavor, excellent stuff. If you want to make your own kettle corn machine just like we're used today, there's a link in the description down below. Check this video right here for some sriracha popcorn, and remember to get poppin'.